In the next program, we are going to join two strings. The operation is similar to concatenate function that we have seen earlier, which is the inbuilt function in C. But in this program, we are going to do it without using any inbuilt function. So S1 and S2 are our two strings. So I'm asking user to enter those strings over here. So assuming user has entered A, B, C, D as the S1 and X, Y, Z as S2. These are index values. So length of S1 is 4 and length of S2 is 3. So to concatenate or to join two strings, we need to start writing X, Y, Z from this point like this. So from the fourth location, we are required to add characters of XYZ into S1. If you notice, location fourth is equivalent to length of S1, that is 4. So we need to first find out what length of S1 would be. So this is our for loop. We are going to iterate across S1 and we'll find length. So once we have the length of S1, we are going to use another variable J0 to iterate through S2, and then I am using another for loop to start appending characters of S2 into S1 from starting point of its length. So that is why the value that we have calculated here will be used to initialize value of I. So I will be initialized to 4. We are going to loop till S2 of J does not reaches /0. So for each characters which is available in S2, we can start writing at these locations. So inside of this for loop, I am writing S1 of I is equal to S2 of J. Notice that I was started from len and J is started from 0 over here. And on each iteration, we are going to increment J++, and also once these two statements are executed, I is also going to get incremented. So throughout this second loop for S2, first X will be written, then Y will be written, then Z will be written, and once compiler reaches this /0, the loop will be completed, and at the end of the loop, we must add /0 character into S1. So at this final location, we should also write /0. So this whole thing is now your S1 to which we have added XYZ from the second string. So your final character array is A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z and /0 as a null character in the end. So in the final statement, this will be printed. Resultant string is %s and value of S1 will be printed instead of %s.